Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you the latest in tropical cyclones in the United States, severe thunderstorm weather. So, cyclone-wise, we have this area right here, per the Bureau of Meteorology. Very low chance, and predicted to stay as a very low. We're going to take a look at one of the models. So, the first thing to watch is this area over here, so that's that very low. So, it never really looks like that one organizes, but it looks like it could be bringing rains and some winds to this part of Australia. There's maybe an area of interest. But here's what we're going to look at over here. Watch this area right here, about there. So now that is what, 12th of May or something? So that is pretty far out. The season over here in the Eastern Pacific starts officially on the 15th, so it wouldn't be out of the question it wouldn't be out of the ordinary for something to be forming around that time. But however, since that is that far out into the future, the likelihood of whether that shapes up or not, it's been called into question, but we'll keep an eye on that, because that could end up being possibly the first tropical storm, maybe even a hurricane of the 2014 season. Who knows? Severe thunderstorm weather-wise in the US right now. This tornado warning will probably be expired by the time you're watching this. So tornado warning there, special marine warning then. If I remember right, this was for a thing producing a water spout and some winds. Well, earlier it was for something that could be producing a water spout. So obviously something to keep an eye on if you're in that area. Let's talk about the next few days. So basically there's today, and then for the next few days, no severe thunderstorm areas forecast. These green areas are just the general thunderstorm threat. So let's talk about today. So again, confusing map there. But here's your 5% chance of 58 mile per hour greater winds, your 5% chance of hail, and then confusingly there's the tornado warning in effect, but the official tornado probability is actually less than 2% all areas. So it's actually supposed to be a wind or hail thing, right, for Florida. So to talk about the longer range, so all of these blank things, so starting, Wednesday, so that'd be the 7th or so. The Storm Prediction Center, if you go in and read the medium range forecast, there's potentially something that's going to be shaping up next week, but right now there's not enough agreement between, the GFS and the ECMWF as to how things might shape up. So there could be some severe weather happening midweek. So something to pay attention to, but, way too uncertain at the moment. So, yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is a website you can go to for more information about weather stuff. And of course, if you go to Severe Weather Outlook and scroll up or something, you can get an overview of what's going on, and then you can click around and, drag this marker wherever you want to see where the threat is, if there's one, or not. Yeah, so that is it for today. Have fun.